If you're a business owner or HR manager looking to offer your remote employees global health insurance, you're probably wondering how to navigate the complexity of international healthcare benefits. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to offer remote employees global health insurance using Oyster and why it's one of the easiest and most efficient tools to manage this for your global team. Oyster allows companies to provide health insurance to remote workers, no matter where they are in the world. It's a platform specifically designed for remote-first companies, helping you streamline benefits for your global employees. The best part? You don't have to deal with the headache of local regulations and insurance complexities for each country. Oyster does all the heavy lifting for you, ensuring that your team is covered wherever they are. With Oyster, offering global health insurance is a breeze. You simply add your employees to the platform, and it automatically determines what insurance benefits they're eligible for based on their location. Whether your team is scattered across Europe, the US, or Asia, you can rest easy, knowing they have access to the right health insurance coverage tailored to their region. This simplifies your role in managing their healthcare benefits while still offering competitive, high-quality insurance. You might be wondering how to get started. First, sign up for Oyster. It's incredibly easy to get started. Once you're on the platform, you'll set up your team, and Oyster will guide you through the process of selecting the right health insurance plans for each employee based on their location and needs. Everything is handled through one interface, so there's no back and forth with multiple insurance companies, no paperwork to deal with, and no confusion about local regulations. Oyster is also transparent about its pricing, which is great for businesses looking to budget. They offer a flat monthly fee for each employee, which includes everything from health insurance to compliance management. This means you won't be surprised by hidden fees or unexpected costs. The platform also provides you with reports and insights into your employees' insurance coverage, so you can keep track of everything without having to manage each case individually. Beyond just health insurance, Oyster also offers payroll, tax compliance, and benefits management for your global team. So, if you're building a distributed workforce and want to make sure your remote employees are well taken care of, Oyster is a one-stop solution. It ensures you're staying compliant with local laws while providing top-notch benefits that can attract and retain top talent worldwide. And here's the best part. You can start using Oyster for free with an exclusive bonus by clicking the first link in the description below. You'll get access to their platform with an extended free trial, giving you a hands-on experience to see how it can streamline your health insurance and other benefits management for your remote team. So, if you're serious about offering remote employees global health insurance and simplifying your benefits administration, Oyster is a tool you can't afford to miss. Make sure to grab your exclusive free trial today using the link below and take your employee benefits management to the next level with ease.